In this video, learn to evaluate AI-generated text outputs using Python scripts, crucial for ensuring accuracy in natural language processing tasks. By the end, you'll automate evaluation processes and understand key performance metrics. Welcome to our deep dive into evaluating AI outputs with Python scripts. Did you know that accurate evaluation of AI-generated text is crucial for the reliability of natural language processing applications? In today's video, we will embark on a journey to master this essential skill. From setting up your Python environment to automating evaluation processes, we'll cover all you need to ensure your AI systems are both accurate and reliable. Stick around as we unravel key metrics and explore how to seamlessly integrate evaluation into AI workflows. Let's start by understanding Claude Outputs, the backbone of evaluating AI-generated text. Claude Outputs refer to the text generated by AI models, often used in applications like chatbots, content creation, and more. Evaluating these outputs is critical because it helps us determine the accuracy and reliability of AI systems. However, interpreting these outputs can be challenging due to their complexity and variability. In this section, we'll explore different types of Claude outputs and discuss the importance of accurate evaluation. Understanding these fundamentals is key to ensuring our AI systems provide reliable and meaningful results. Before diving into evaluation, we need to set up our Python environment. Python is a versatile language ideal for AI tasks, but ensuring you have the right setup is crucial. Begin by installing essential libraries such as NumPy, Pandas, and NLTK, which will aid in text analysis. Configuring your IDE, whether it's PyCharm, VS Code, or Jupyter Notebook, is another critical step. Ensure compatibility with your system by checking Python and library versions. Remember, a well-configured environment minimizes errors and enhances productivity. We'll also address common setup issues and how to troubleshoot them effectively. With our Python environment ready, it's time to load AI-generated text data for evaluation. Start by importing the text data, which may come in various formats such as CSV, JSON, or plain text. Proper data preparation is crucial, involving steps like cleaning and pre-processing to remove noise and inconsistencies. Understand the different data formats and how to handle them effectively. Ensuring data integrity during this stage is vital for accurate evaluation results. We'll explore best practices for preparing your data, setting the stage for a seamless evaluation process. Evaluation metrics are fundamental to assessing AI-generated text. Among the most common are precision, recall, and the F1 score, each offering unique insights into output quality. Precision measures the accuracy of the generated text, while recall evaluates completeness. The F1 score balances both precision and recall, providing a comprehensive view. Additionally, Blue and Rouge are popular metrics for comparing the generated text to reference texts. Understanding these metrics allows you to choose the right ones for your specific AI task, ensuring your evaluation process is both effective and informative. Manual evaluation can be time-consuming and prone to errors. Automating the process not only saves time but also enhances accuracy and consistency. In this block, we'll explore how to script evaluation tasks using Python. Learn how to write scripts that automate the computation of evaluation metrics and generate comprehensive reports. Integrating these scripts into your workflow allows for seamless, repeatable evaluations. Python's versatility and powerful libraries make it an ideal choice for automation, enhancing both productivity and accuracy in your AI tasks. Once you have your evaluation results, the next step is interpreting them to make informed decisions. Analyzing metrics helps you understand the strengths and weaknesses of your AI outputs. For instance, a high precision but low recall suggests improvements in capturing more relevant data. Dive into the implications of each metric and identify areas where your AI model can improve. By drawing insights from your data, you can tweak and enhance your AI systems for better performance. This block will guide you through making data-driven decisions, a crucial skill in AI development.
Evaluating AI outputs can be fraught with pitfalls, but recognizing these can save you time and resources. One common mistake is data bias, which can skew results and lead to inaccurate conclusions. Ensure comprehensive testing by using diverse datasets and evaluating multiple scenarios. Balancing precision and recall is another challenge. Focusing too much on one can compromise the other. Maintaining objectivity in your evaluation process is key to obtaining reliable results. We'll explore these pitfalls in detail and offer strategies to avoid them, ensuring your evaluation process remains robust and effective. Integrating evaluation into AI workflows ensures continuous improvement and system reliability. By embedding evaluation processes, you create a feedback loop that informs ongoing adjustments and enhancements. This iterative approach allows you to refine AI models continuously, improving performance over time. We'll discuss strategies for integrating evaluation seamlessly into your workflows, ensuring sustained accuracy and reliability. Learn how continuous feedback and iteration lead to more robust AI systems, capable of adapting to new challenges and providing superior results. As we wrap up, let's recap what we've covered. Evaluating AI-generated text is crucial for ensuring system accuracy and reliability. We've explored the setup of Python environments, loading and preparing data, and the metrics vital for evaluation. Automation and integration into workflows enhance productivity and system performance. Remember, continuous learning and adaptation are key to mastering AI evaluation. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing, sharing, or leaving a comment with your thoughts or questions. Your engagement helps us produce more content tailored to your interests.